7.2 billion people are living on the Earth, the valuable and irreplaceable home for human beings. The progress in science and rapid developing in industry, together with mass food production and great progress in medical technology, explosive growth of population has appeared. People pursue a better life with comfort and more abundant materials, as leading to continuous consumption of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, etc., and numerous emissions of carbon dioxide, resulting in greenhouse effect and global warming. Electricity consumption is rapidly increasing as all fields in the world are running for 24 hours every day. Aiming to reduce the increasing carbon dioxide, ELX lighting provides the world with induction lamps, distinguishing in energy saving, environmental protection for health and eyes, and with a lifespan up to 100,000 hours.
Located in the Pearl River Delta region, the most active economic area in China, Jiangling City is about 50 kilometers southwest away from Guangzhou City, with a population of 4.1 million people. It is one of the few cities that attracts more and more settled-in industries and high-tech enterprises like motorcycle, electronic information equipment, biology and medicine, lighting equipment, etc. The production base of ELX lighting in China is located about a 10 minutes car ride from the city center.
I'm the production supervisor of the induction bulb manufacturing department, in charge of the processing and producing works of bulbs, including the product processing control, quality check and optimization, and equipment maintenance, to ensure the appearance and performance of the product to meet the requirements of the customers.
The raw glass tube is cut into the required size. Then after high temperature melting, it is processed into the shape of the tube with skilled technology, and then the tube is cut into the size of the product, grinding the incision and making it clean. I am the monitor of the induction tube manufacturing workshop, mainly responsible for the powdering work for tubes, as well as supervision of the relevant production process. Key steps in the production of tubes are powder coating, bridging, exhausting, reliability tests, and other related processes. It is the basic requirements of our group to be strict in each step of the production process. The fluorescent powder is evenly coated on the interior of the lamp tube and is dried at high temperature. The two halves of the lamp are sintered together by an automatic bridging machine, vacuumizing the tube and filling it with working gas. There are two exhausting pipes in the ELX induction lamp tube, so it is faster than similar products to start up and has a higher light efficiency. After the preparation of the lamp tube, then install the magnetic ring. Twine the induction coil on the magnetic ring. Stick the magnetic ring on the tube with high temperature resistant adhesive. Both the magnetic ring and the outermost shell are coated and sprayed with high temperature resistant material to ensure stable performance of the product. Then the unique serial number is sprayed on the tube to ensure that the quality of products can be traced back. Then the finished tube is accepted for a long-time aging test. I'm IPQC of the Quality Assurance Department. My job is to be responsible for the daily quality control of the power workshop. The power plant mainly produces the ballast of the induction lamp, including the plug-in, wave soldering, after welding, and aging test performance. A sound quality control system is established for the entire production process to ensure standard qualified ballasts. The components for the electronic ballast are mounted on the surface by the latest SMT machine. Core components of transformers are also manufactured in the factory. The parameters of each transformer are tested strictly to ensure consistency with design, and then the strictly selected parts are affixed to the circuit board of the transformer. Then it is welded and installed carefully by the hands of skilled workers. After the completion of these processes, the electronic ballast is to be connected with the induction lamp bulb and then accepted for a long period aging test of performance. ELX Lighting is the only manufacturer in the same field who has its own independent R&D to produce special lamps. In order to make lamps with better light efficiency, ELX Lighting autonomously advocates for optical design and builds a mold workshop by itself to cast special induction lamps with high purity aluminum to guarantee high protectiveness of the lamps and the best luminous efficiency.
I am the monitor of assembly line. My job is responsible for production efficiency and quality control in assembly line. We always make efforts to meet customers' demands and then expand and strengthen ELX Lighting.
After the completion of the main components, such as tubes, electronic ballasts, and lamps, they will be sent to the assembly line and then arranged to the large-scale aging test for a long time. A glass cover will be installed after the aging test. Finally, products will be sent to the warehouse after passing visual inspection. ELX lighting induction lamps have been sold to more than 100 countries and regions, which are widely used in the field of high shed lighting. They're not only widely used in industrial premises, warehouse lighting, and commercial lighting, but also in landscape lighting, road lighting, and tunnel lighting. The induction lamp of ELX lighting can be used in all kinds of extreme environments, no matter in high temperature of 70 degrees Celsius or an ultra-low temperature of 40 degrees below 0 Celsius, or in the high temperature and humidity environment of 50 degrees Celsius and 95% humidity. The induction lamp of ELX lighting will be able to work with stable and reliable conditions. In order to ensure products meet environmental requirements, we will analyze the manufacturing materials to ensure that they are harmless to the human body and natural environment. In order to enable customers to use the induction lamp of low frequency, we will carry out an EMC test to the product to guarantee that the product does not produce electromagnetic interference and is compliant with requirements of major international safety certifications. In order to ensure the best light quality, we use an integrating sphere to assess and measure the spectrum, color temperature, and color rendering. A light distribution tester will be used to measure and draw photometric data. In order to exert the unique advantage of light source in healthy protection and energy saving, ELX Lighting set up the Institute of Healthy and Energy Saving Lighting. During the process of research and development, we took health and energy saving as the research direction and created first-class health protection and energy-saving lighting products. The plant growth lamp is the new field of scientific research of the induction lamp. ELX Lighting is carrying out with the plant growth lamp experiment with the light source of the induction lamp. The spectrum of luminescence of the induction lamp could be freely changed. It can be a replacement of sunlight as the light source for the growth of various crops in the future. Research by EXL Lighting in this field has been made with remarkable achievements. After receiving the order, the Production Management Department confirms the status of storage and makes plans for parts and assembly with constant adjustment so as to guarantee that products can be delivered to customers on time. The Marketing Center is in charge of marketing and sales. After receiving the order from the customer, they will arrange production, delivery, distribution, and follow-up after-sales service. In order to keep leading advantages of the products, ELX Lighting always takes customer demand as guidance and collects new technology and market information continuously while serving customers.
To drive the development of induction lamp to the world actively, ELX Lighting takes an active part in exhibitions held in various countries and promote the unique induction lamp with advantages of health protecting and energy saving. In the corner of the factory, there is a lamp that has been on for 7 years since the factory's establishment. In order to make the lamp keep on working, ELX Lighting devotes locality improving, researching, and developing perseveringly. In the future, ELX Lighting will continue the mission of researching and manufacturing the best light source and provide the world with outstanding induction lamps of most environmentally healthy protection and energy saving.